Here is how to merge two CBTs together. You can see here we have click here to merge CBT together. So we click on this place. Now you can see I have just two CBT on my platform here. So which I just added. You can see I have only two. So when I click on this, it shows the two. Now if you want to merge together, what is the name you want to give to it? Let me just call it, for example, I want to call it Jam. Let me go for science. Maybe I want to, maybe it's only mathematics, English, chemistry, physics I want to merge together for science student, for example. Okay, so I just call this one Jam for science students. And then the description of it, so you can write the description, anything you like, you put here. Now under this place, you select this. If you are using PC, you hold your control and select the second one. And if it is mobile phone, you can just select everything at once. Now you can see I selected two, so click on save. Now after this, you can see Jam for science student, two merged. So that means I merged two CBT together. Okay, so you click on this copied link. Now here is the CBT link for the two exams I joined together. Now you can, let me visit the link and see what will happen. You can see choose CBT to begin with. It's because I merged two together. You can see two merged. So that is why it shows the first one and the second one to attend. You can see, all right, if I go for the first one, you can see I will attend the first one, and if I want to go for the second one, I click on the second one. Or no question here. You can see this is how to merge two CBTs together using Samora.